Hi, welcome to the video. We need to replace the wiper blades on this 2014 VW Passat. In order to get to the replacement on the wiper blades, we need to have the arms get into what they call a park mode so we can go ahead and service it. What we'll do is turn the car key onto auxiliary position, one click, pull the key out, and then push down on the wiper control handle, and then the blades will go up to the park position. They'll stay in that position, and then we'll raise the arm up. That's the driver's side, and then the passenger side. Then there's a little tab that we're going to push to remove the blade assembly, and then we're going to put on another replacement blade, which is a tricycle. This is the one that we've already built it up with the it's a letter B what they use in this particular automobile, and then we just pull the blade down, click it into the arm, and once it's in that position, it's not going to go anywhere. That's the driver's side. And then on the passenger side, do the same thing. We've also have put all the little attachments onto the tricycle replacement blades. See the little white piece is still on there? That's a new blade assembly. We'll pull down onto the wiper control arm, and then take off the little shipping pieces that protect the rubber portion, and then we're finished. Go ahead and put your wiper blades back onto your windshield, and that's it. Simple as that. Here's the 2-pack that we bought on Amazon. We'll leave you a link below. So if you want to pick them up, they're at a decent price, cheaper than your local automotive store. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hope you enjoyed the video and it helps you.